Brian here. Hi to the world too, and everyone who will be watching through the lens with us. And I'm excited to be on this trip. 14 days, 4 travelers, for 4 wheels. It's going to be an epic journey. And happy to have you guys ride along with us through social media and whatever you're going to be following the trip through. I'm excited to be on this trip, particularly to at least showcase Uganda. I personally am a drone pilot and tourism enthusiast, and I'm happy to be on this trip so that I can show you how beautiful the country is from the air. And everything that we're going to be doing is to inspire you to join us on this trip and show you more of what Uganda has to offer, not only from the north, central, south, but everywhere, because it's an all-round trip. So I'm excited to see new people, new cultures, new faces, because whenever you're on a trip, you never know. Sometimes you just don't see things because of the itinerary you have and all that, because every region has different cultures, and that's the whole thing, that's the whole reason for this trip. How culture, nature, wildlife, landscapes and everything blend together. It's going to be an exciting trip.